Today we talk about how can you disable receive marketing email on your Walmart app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on account down here. So when you click here on account here, it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do. So you just go down here, then you click here on communications, you click on it, then it's going to take you to next step here, just switching to open video here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on marketing emails, click on it, just click on this sign here on marketing emails. You come here to receive marketing emails, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's me receive marketing emails disable with us now. And here can you select here if you want to add, yes, I want emails about saving your ATMs more or so I can you select. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.